Children, today I am going to revise the lesson 14 Heavenly Friends. So, already I explained in previous class. Once again, I revised this lesson. I think all of you complete the classwork. Those who are not complete the classwork, they complete. Understood? ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕೈ, have you seen the sky? What do you see in the sky at night and day? So there are day and night, no? What do you see at day? In the sky you see sun. So in day you see the sun on sky. What does sun gives us? Sun gives us heat and light. No. So and also in this lesson we learn about the how to identify the directions and what are the uses of these. What does sun gives us? Sun gives us heat and energy. Heat and light. Without heat and light we cannot live. Not only human beings, all the organisms will be lost their lives. They cannot survive on earth. So heat and light is very important for everything. Without light we cannot see anything, no? So like at night, what do you see in the sky? You see moon and stars. So moon also give the light at night. So the stars are twinkling in the sky. There are so many stars in the sky. The sun, moon, stars and their other things you can see in the sky, they are called heavenly bodies. Earth, planet, earth is also planet, meteoroids, satellites. So they are called heavenly bodies. And also what you see on earth? Earth is, earth is only one planet that has water and air. It is very necessary for everyone. Without water we cannot live. Without we cannot breathe, no? So these are very important things. And also in first picture, page number 91, there is some pictures are given. The mountains, the streams, the moon, the star, the forest and stars. So forest is also very important. Forest means the group of trees. Trees are very important for us because they give the oxygen for us. The oxygen is very necessary for living things. So and also they bring the rain. Without trees we cannot live. So in page number 91 there is some pictures are given. And also box is given. You see, look at the picture and put mark in the box and things which you see in the sky. What is key in the sky? You mark only what you see in the sky. So first one is there is a water. It is not in the sky. It is on earth. So you mark. You do not mark right. The moon, you mark it. You see on sky. In the sky, you mark. Next sun. Sun also in the sky. And forest, no, it is on land. And stream, it is also land. And stars, you have put the mark here. Moon, sun and stars you see in the sky. And also you tell your things, what you see in the sky during the day and night. Look at the picture and day. In 92 there is a one village or it is a town is given. The sun is rising. What happens when you see the sunset? What do you see in the sky during the night? The stars are very far away from the earth. So they look like a dots. Understood? They look very dot like a dot because they are far away from the earth. So draw a circle in the classroom and draw the sun and moon and star as shown in the picture. Stand around the circle with friends. On the whistles heard, let them stop moving. Let them where they are standing and name the heavenly friends. It is the one of the play and game. You play with your help of teachers or elders. You play this game. You get very enjoyful. And also I explained in previous class, there is a one of the song is given, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So these are all the things we learn in previous class, and also I give the classwork for you. There are hard words and question answers. I read this classwork. All of you look at the or open the classwork. First main is hard words with spelling. SUN sun, MOON moon, STARS stars, EARTH earth, SKY sky, NIGHT night, SUN sun, SET set sunset, night NIGHT night, moving MOVING moving, around AROUND around, circle CIRCLE circle, heavenly HEAVENLY heavenly, sound SOUND sound, twinkle TWINKLE twinkle, diamond DIAMOND diamond, 16th world WORLD world, 17 wonder WONDER wonder, 18 little LITTLE little. So these are all the odd words. First you learn these words with spelling. Sun, moon, stars, earth, sky, sunset, night, morning, around, circle, heavenly, sound, twinkle, diamond, and world, wonder, little. Next answer the following. So, what are the heavenly bodies or friends? What are heavenly bodies? The sun, moon, and star are called heavenly friends. What do you see in the sky during the night? The moon and stars we see during the night. Why do stars look like dot? Because stars are far away from the earth. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. Where does the sun set? The sun sets in the west. Name the 4 directions. North, south, east and west are the 4 major directions. How does stars look like? The stars look like a diamond. Understood? Once again I read the answer the following. What are heavenly bodies? Our friends, sun, moon and stars are called heavenly bodies. What do you see in the sky during night? The moon and stars we see in the sky during the night. Why does stars look like stars? Because stars are far away from the earth. Where does sun rises? Sun rises in the east. Where does sun set? The sun sets in the west. Name the 4 directions. North, south, east and west are the 4 major directions. How does the stars look like? The stars look like a diamond. Understood? So these are all the question answers you learn. First you read the lesson, children, and odd words and with spelling, then easy to understand. And also in your page number there is some dots and color. All of you open the page number 96. There is a dot line star sun is given. You draw it in your A4 sheet, and that is the activity, and mark and color it. And also in page number 97 there is a star and moon, the drawing also given, outline drawing. You draw it in a A4 sheet and color it. Understood? So And also you learn the poem. Which is the poem? They sing the enjoy. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Here comes sun, and another poem is also given. Here comes the sun, with him he bring the fun, some fun. The day now looks so bright and gay, only want to sing and play. I simply love to count and stars and chat the songs for long, long hours. Here comes the sun, within the bring some fun, and they now looks so bright and gay. We only want to sing and play. I simply love and count the star and chant the songs for long, long hours. Understood? During the night, do you look at the star in the sky and count the star? With the help, it is a possible. No, with the help of the teacher, the elders, the different names of the sun and moon also you and stars. There are different types of stars and stars are there, and the shape of the moon is also changes, so you also learn half moon day, full moon day, like this. So these are all the activities for I will giving. So first you complete the classwork. Those who are not complete the classwork, first complete the classwork, then you learn all things. Understood? So I think all of you understand about this lesson. In next class I will continue. Till now, take care. Goodbye.